2007 American IronHorse Texas Chopper is an iconic factory custom motorcycle that captures the bold spirit of American chopper culture. Built by American IronHorse, one of the largest custom bike manufacturers of its time, the Texas Chopper stood out for its aggressive styling, powerful V-twin engine, and high-quality craftsmanship. At its heart is a massive 111 CI, 1,317 cc S&S V-twin engine, with an optional upgrade to a 124 CI, 2,032 cc version. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and right-side drive, it delivers raw torque and smooth highway cruising. The bike's 42-degree rake and stretched frame give it a long, low stance, with extended front forks and a signature 240mm rear tire, enhancing its dramatic chopper silhouette. This bike wasn't just about looks. It was a blend of show and go. High-end, features like custom paint, billet aluminum components, and a low-profile seat made it both visually stunning and uniquely comfortable for cruising. While not built for agility, it excels in straight-line rides and makes a powerful visual statement. The 2007 Texas Chopper is a true representation of early 2000s custom bike culture, loud, proud, and unapologetically American. It remains a collector's favorite for its distinct character and road presence. Would you like ownership tips or maintenance advice for this model?